Tired of hiding your belly under baggy clothes? In just 7 days, these 5 powerful exercises can kickstart your fat-burning journey and reveal the confident you beneath. Exercise 1. Crunch kicks. Let's start with crunch kicks. Lie flat on your back, hands behind your head. Now crunch up and kick one leg forward, then switch. Keep your core tight and breathe with every movement. This move targets both your upper abs and lower belly, engaging your full core in one motion. It's not just about fat loss. This builds a strong foundation. Feel the burn? That's progress knocking. Breathe deep. You've earned a short rest. Let's get ready for the next one. Exercise 2. Heel touch. Now onto heel touches. Lie down again. Bend your knees, feet flat. Lift your shoulders slightly and reach side to side, touching each heel. This simple move targets your oblique muscles, the sides of your waist, helping reduce love handles and shape a slimmer silhouette. Controlled movement is key. Don't rush. You're sculpting, not sprinting. Awesome work. Shake it off. Let's push a little more. Exercise 3. Starfish Crunch. Time for the Starfish Crunch. Lie down, arms and legs stretched out like a star. Now lift your right arm and left leg to meet in the middle. Then switch. This full body crunch not only burns belly fat, it improves coordination and strengthens your entire core. Feel your abs contract with every reach. Yes, that's your body getting stronger. You're not just working out, you're evolving. Take a breather. Hydrate if needed. We're halfway there. Exercise 4. Plank hip dips. Now get into plank position because it's time for plank hip dips. Keep your elbows below your shoulders. Gently rotate your hips side to side, dipping them toward the floor. This move tones your abs, waistline, and strengthens your lower back. It also improves posture, so you not only look better, you feel better too. Control the dips. Don't rush it. Let the tension build. You're doing amazing. One last move to go. Let's finish strong. Exercise 5. Russian twists. Last one, Russian twists. Sit down, lean back slightly, lift your feet if you can. Twist your torso left and right, touching the floor each time. This move is a belly fat killer. It targets the obliques and the deeper core muscles. Want a smaller waist? This one is non-negotiable. Keep your movements tight, focused, and breathe out with every twist. Done! Feel that fire? That's your fat melting off. You did it, and this is just the beginning. If you're serious about transforming your body, join my Telegram channel today for a free belly fat workout guide and diet plan, crafted with love and results in mind. The link is in the description. Don't miss it, because skipping this could mean skipping your dream body. And hey, if you also want to burn that stubborn leg fat, don't wait. Click on this video next and let's shape those thighs too.